Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm going to show you how to sell items
for $1 million.
So, selling expensive items is not the same thing anymore within the Facebook ads platform. Back in the days, and from now on when we say back in the days we mean before the iOS changes, we used to have sales on expensive items, but now the situation is different. So you could have an item like a ring and you could sell it for $5,000 and you could do ads and you could have success with it. Okay, I have done it, and people that they had several accounts like me before the iOS changes, we were doing that. Or even courses, water filters, whatever you can imagine. What has changed? The attribution model has changed. Now, we don't have 28 days attribution model, we have 7 days. That means that we have a very short period of 7 days after someone clicks our ad, so that this person can convert and actually become a purchase. As you can understand, when you have 28 days, it's enough for some people to decide if they want to spend on a couch $5,000, on a ring $5,000 and so on. But it's not enough for some people to decide if they want to do it within a 7 days period. Now, I know that a lot of people are going to be negative with what am I going to say, but this is the reality and you have to face it. If you want to operate just like this, because it used to be profitable for you or it was working in the past, it's up to you. Don't change, don't adapt to the situation. But if you want to adapt, this is how you should do it. Whatever I'm telling you here, it's coming from my personal experience. I had 2 clients, which I'm still keeping. I started with them before the iOS changes and I'm still having them today. One of them is a furniture store and the other one is a water filter company. Both of these companies were doing Facebook ads and we were doing Facebook ads and we were selling with conversion, purchase, objective ads immediately to the customer. After the iOS changes, and not after the iOS changes, basically at the start of 2021, when the attribution changed, we changed our model with these companies. When we discussed, I told them that this cannot happen anymore. Of course, after 1 or 2 months that we have seen that it wasn't working, we discussed and we said that we need to switch to a lead generation model. Now, what does this mean? This means that the whole company needs to adapt to the new situation. If Facebook consists 80%, 60% of your traffic and your sales, you need to adapt to the situation or it's going to be devastating for you. Now, if you're keen enough as a company to find other ways to sell your products and you're just going to abandon Facebook, it's fine. My problem is for the companies that they're still trying to sell with the way that it was working in the past and they don't understand that they need to adapt. So, what's the situation? We're doing lead generation ads. We're going to do lead gen, showing the products and everything, but this time we're acquiring emails and SMS. Not to retarget them, but we're doing this so that we will be able for someone to call them, explain them the products because they're more expensive products, and then even have an offer, something like for the water filter company, for example, we have a free test of that it's a kit that you send to their house. They are doing a test on their water, seeing if it's contaminated or whatever, so that they can decide if they want to buy the filter or not. So these kind of things, and this is how a company is adapting to the new reality because the people that are going to buy are still there. It's not like there is a gap on the market suddenly. It's for you that you have a gap on how you're going to find these people, which is becoming bigger from what it used to be with a 28 days attribution model. If you want to sell high ticket items, expensive items, you need to have a whole different journey for your customers in order to warm them up. And for me, the best possible way, what we have found is having a mix of lead generation forms, a mix of leads being acquired in a landing page, and then a call center or someone who is going to call them a sales team that's going to call them, try to sell them the product after that. This is my suggestion if you want to sell a high ticket item. One note before we close the video, when you're taking the leads, and I'm having also a whole video about lead generation ads and how you should do them, but when you're going to do the leads, don't forget that you need to serve them quickly. like in 24 hours maximum, okay? Don't just gather the leads and then serve them after 1 week, okay? This is going to help you a lot to improve your results. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, be sure to check my course, my free course that I have made, my advanced course, and of course my book. And until we meet again, don't forget that you have to be creative and you have to be consistent in the universe and in the metaverse.